Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up the infamous beer can chicken on the Chargriller Gravity 980. Oh hell yeah. So you're gonna want to open up a couple cans of beer if you're doing two birds. Oh hell yeah. Drink them half down, and then but first, prior to that, we're gonna be using two different rubs. Uncle Steve's new Lucky Shake. Now somebody said it was Lucky Cow Shake, but Lucky Shake all-purpose seasoning, and then we're going to be using South Texas Red on the other. Oh hell yeah. Two badass beer can birds coming up. Getting at 980 rolling. Oh hell yeah. Get that Royal Oak up in there. And we're going to be using some probably hickory or pecan hardwood.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh! That smells a lot like the original with more pepper. Can't wait to use it. Oh hell yeah, guys. Go get yourself some Uncle Steve Shake. Oh hell yeah. Now these birds, I got this little, it's a cutting board, tub, sink, outdoorsy thing. Seriously, awesome. You can fit two birds in there. You can drain it out from the bottom if it was full of water, so you're not doing this in your sink, which is gross. And it's even, you can use it as a cutting board. It's got a knife on the bottom too, so if you want to go tailgating, this is your guy. Link is down below. Just saying, it's awesome. Start hitting up that shake. Oh hell yeah. Now with these chickens, you want to get it underneath the skin as well, and but we're gonna hit it up with some avocado oil and then rub and jam the beer can right up its rear. Oh hell yeah. Sometimes you gotta move it around. Bada bing, bada boom. Put her on.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Cheers the beer can birds are on the Gravity 980. And we're going to be smoking with some cherry wood. Oh, hell yeah. Let's pop that in right now. So these birds we hit up with the rub. We let it set while we were getting the grill going. So they sat for about 20 minutes. We popped some beer cans, half full of beer, up their rear, and we put them on the Chargriller 980 at about 275. And we're gonna let that smoke for at least until you hit 180-ish in the thighs. And then we might, I think at about 165, I'm gonna bump it up to try to crisp the skin a little bit. Bump it up to 325 until you hit 180, 185 in the thigh. Oh, hell yeah.
I talked shit about Tom McDonald and didn't realize it. So many of my fans were his fans and now they're all mad at me. So I'm just gonna tell them that I was talking about somebody else. That's it, yeah, I was talking about somebody else. You believe me, right? Right?
Oh, shit. Alright. Man, who gave this old man Twitter? Who taught him about his words?
Ooh.
Someone tell him when he mentions me, do research first. He is old and bitter.
This beer can chicken is done. Oh, hell yeah. Whew. Oh, yeah. Hunk of a drum, South Texas Red, Uncle Steve Shake. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, nice. Got a kick, just a touch. Perfectly cooked. Oh, hell yeah. We're going with a little breast meat with that Lucky Shake. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! That is hot. And for breast, moist as all hell. Super flavorful. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Beer can chickens are done. Oh, hell yeah. Check them bad boys out.
Give me a hell yeah.
Oh, yep. Steaming like a son of a gun.